I'm getting quite bored of the look of where my guys starts. I might just like tinker with some of the actual tiles itself, like the actual PNG files. Just put it into MS Paint and just fuck about with it. Um, anyway, so yeah, regardless, I digress. Okay, so I last time I did some of the animations for my log man, Mr. Log, or as I've been calling Log Boy. Um, he's obviously a reference to the Elden Ring Pop Boy thing. So today did a little bit more scripting. Actually, two scripts. An enemy script, which is going to be recycled for multiple different enemies, and one specifically for the log, which, there you go, so class log, and then what it does is, what is this called? I can't remember what the guy said, but basically, if you go to player movement here, and I go all the way up to the top, public class, and it goes like public class, mono behavior. Mono obviously meaning one, that means it's just the behavior. This script governs the behavior of this one asset within the game. So if this thing could please focus. Yeah, no, this is like me when I take my glasses off. Fucking hell. So anyway, so I've got the enemy one here. Now, log, see here, it says class log equals enemy. So what this means is that this script is actually linked to the enemy one. So basically, I will do all the stuff, all the standard scripting for all the enemies in one script, and then the log script or any other script for any other enemy will actually be slightly different depending on what I want the enemy to do. At the moment, the enemy will be, if I go here, the enemy has like will target the player, and it will eventually go back to its home position as well. So you see here these public bits here, these variables. I think they're called variables. Yeah, these actually end up. Bloody hell! This camera's phone sucks. This is like top of the range, like 2 years ago. Here, so in the log script, you've got health, enemy name, base attack, move speed, target, chase radius, attack radius, and everything like that. Now, if I added any other variable, it would actually show up in this in the inspector in Unity, and I can actually amend like the base attack and the move speed and everything without actually having to change the script, which is really, really handy. That means I can like play around and change the balance of the game, whenever I want. Also, I think I've kind of sorted out the issues I had. I mean, it's still a little bit. The player still jumps around a little bit. I have kind of asked various people on the game dev subreddit. Everyone said I really need to put fixed update in there, but I fixed update in the update method. But the problem is when I do that, the attack button doesn't work all the time. Like sometimes it does, and it seems random. Like maybe it might work first time, and then you have to tap it a couple more times. I don't know why. I have no idea why. I even mucked about with here. I changed where it says like yield return there. I changed that, and I changed this, and it just wasn't doing anything. I couldn't figure it out. So I thought, oh, I'm not like Ashens. I need like a brown sofa, and then like eat disgusting stuff from years ago. Okay. I don't look like Simon Pegg either. Okay. So let's go here. Where was I? I completely lost track. It's been a very long week. I haven't been as productive as I'd like because I was in the office all week at a computer, and when you're staring at a computer the whole week, to be honest, you don't really want to fuck about with another computer. But next week I won't be in the office, so I'll actually be doing some fun stuff instead of writing shit. So I'll probably be a lot more productive. I've also got a couple of weeks booked off soon, of which I'm mostly going to be doing a lot of creative shit. So, come on, focus. Is it going to focus? Anyway, so I've got a script for enemies, which I can add to any of the enemies that I create. And let's play the game. I'm not going to use a controller. I'm not going to bother with that. I'm just going to use a keyboard, and then So basically, yeah, the attack. I think you can hear that. It's straight away. And also, I amended the movement in the inspector instead of. So he moves very smooth now. I've got it almost. Sometimes he drops frames. Yeah. Ha. But yeah, I also kind of tinkered with the box colliders as well. So yeah, there he goes. And then I really need to. Do you know what? I'm going to do what that guy said. There's someone on Reddit suggested that I do this. So where is it? It is up here. Yeah, collision detection, continuous, and maybe if I change all the pots, I'll change that to continuous as well. Maybe. Where is it? Oh yeah, of course, because he's the only one with a rigid body. The pots don't have a rigid body. The pots don't. They're not rigid at all. They've got a box collider. They got the animator, but they don't have a rigid body. Sucks to be a pot, doesn't it? Okay. Yeah, it doesn't move about. Okay, so maybe if I could always change maybe the hitbox. Huh, no, still doesn't. You have to really be precise. Like, that doesn't work. There you go. Okay, so maybe this dude's just shit with his sword. I mean, he's just shit. Okay, now we've got this. He's still asleep because I haven't actually played around with the animations yet. But yeah, he will literally just fucking follow me. Like, he's just like, come on. Yeah. I'll tell you what. And then let's just make multiple of them, and then like it can have like a little gang following him around. There you go. Okay, let's see this break. You gonna break for me? No, you're not gonna break. No. There you go. And then, oh yeah, look at this. Whoa. Oh look, they're all kind of getting stuck inside each other. Oh, they have. Oh, they have become one. Oh, the many have formed for the log is legion.